Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm on a hiking trail. So yeah, we're gonna go through it, show you some nice pictures, videos, go through. This is in, I believe it's in Seneca, South Carolina. I'm not sure. I'll have to check up on that in a second. But yeah, there's like so much stuff here. Nice hiking trails. Saw a big puddle. Lots and lots of trees. So yeah, see you whenever. Today I'm with my cousin Taylor. And I'm also with my Aunt Ashley. And also with my cousin Jada. Right. Yeah, so it's really beautiful out here. Really, really beautiful. I know it is. Are y'all gonna come to her? Very, very steep.
No, that's why I need to use the stick.
Alright guys, so we're down. I don't know if you could see it, but we could see it really good. There's a kayaker down there. We could see the water. It's just really steep, so we're not gonna go all the way down.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're not gonna go all the way down there. But it doesn't look as good on the camera. But in real life it looks really beautiful. So just come here. So yeah, it's really, really steep. Like, oh god.
Yeah, we probably will. Well, I probably will. I don't know about most of it.
What?
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
How did you do that without the stick?
Really looks like we're in the rainforest right now with all these leaves. I hear the water. Decided to take another trail because the other one was very steep. Yeah, it looks like the rainforest or like some kind of jungle in here. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a monkey, to be honest. So we're back. Got a little camp set up right near the Jeep. So I got my hammock, my combos. And I got, before coming here, got me a Gatorade, as you probably saw. And they're still here. So, beautiful weather out, just a little chilly. I'm up here in the mountains. And yeah. So, yeah. Let's go back to hibernation. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody.